From school.
From school, college, coaching classes,
Ask another question.
they are not answering.
You should ask something.
Do you know about education?
Yes, we know about education.
What do you know about education?
Education is very important in our
How do? Do you know about the current situation of our India? Many students who do not go for school and senior college or junior college just because of lack of support and financial problem. How can we improve this particular problem, especially when we talk about the poor or the person who are belonging to the financial problem and nobody support them because of they don't have that much resources to go to school. How?
We can get, we should go to school regularly because if
How? I am asking the question, if a student or any person who is very poor, he wants to get education properly. So, if his family is not that much sufficient or that much rich to support, how can he get education?
we can support and tell
How do you support?
from giving some money or books to read.
You can provide some
and
books
Yes.
and we
and some
should,
financial support.
and we should say them to join any classes, English
Or-
spoken classes.
But the majority of classes who ask much fees to get education, so how can they get education?
So we will help him and
And we will provide us
You can suggest about a good classes where the fees can be minimized.
and
Some classes like our classes where fees can be also reduced for the orphan and poor student and needful student.
yes.
So education, if you really want to get education, there are many classes or the teacher who can give you guidance and support for your basic education, and they will not charge that much fees. According to students' capacity, they can charge it. Okay, okay. So, do you have any further question? Ask them.
do you go to school regularly? Yes, I go to school. Why do you go to school regularly? Because we get a knowledge.
How can you support poor people to get education?
Uh, I give some money.
I will give
I will give some money and
some money
some money
and
and
any other support.
in other support to him. Do you have any question?
Related to education? Please ask.
What is the role of book?
Huh?
What is the role of book?
Books is for studying
Book is
and
very important in our life because we write in books. If there was no book, then we can't get studies because we in any subject we should
Books
write some
are like our friends. If we have a book, we can read something and get knowledge.
Books is our best friend.
Books is also our friend.
if there is no book we can not study and get good knowledge.
We cannot get proper knowledge.
Yes.
And if you have a book, you can read something.
And write.
And write
And write
success
upon
in
that.
our life.
You will be success by reading something, so to improve your communication, to learn about the certain topics. So, do you go to school?
Yes.
Do you go to college? Why do you go to college? I go to college
I go to school.
because because to get a knowledge and information. What is your future plan?
Engineer.
I want to become
I want to become
an engineer.
an engineer.
What is your dream?
My dream is engineer.
to become an engineer. What is the role of engineer?
The engineer is make any item
Or any other project?
project.
Okay. So what is the importance of teacher in a school or college? Tell me, Arohi.
Teacher is very important in our
How?
Teacher gives us knowledge and education.
Do you agree with her? Do you agree with her? Why? Do you agree with her?
Yes.
Yes.
Why? Why do you agree with her?
Because teacher is very important in our life because teacher gives us knowledge, information and education. Teacher
Okay.
teaches us, teacher
Okay, Amit, you tell me something about what is the role of teacher? Teacher gives us knowledge.
Teacher gives the knowledge
Hmm?
in
School or classes
school or classes
or in college.
or in college.
If there is no teacher, what will happen, Apeksha? If there is no teacher, what will happen?
They are not
We will not get knowledge
knowledge
and study.
and study.
Prem, do you go to school regularly?
Yes.
Why do you go to school?
Sir, we go to school regularly
To get
study
study,
and
knowledge.
knowledge.
Do you like teachers?
Yes.
Do you like school? Do you go to school? Why? Do you like your parent? Okay. So say something about your parent.
My parent is very best friend.
Okay. Do you respect your teacher?
Yes.
Why do you respect?
Because
Teacher is everything for us as a student. They teach us
teachers
and
and
give us knowledge.
use knowledge.
Do you respect Aniket, your teacher?
Yes.
Why do you respect? Because
Because
there are our teachers who gives us knowledge and information. Shaurya, do you study at home?
Yes.
Why do you study?
Because we get knowledge.
Look at the
Success for education
okay.
in my school.
Do you like your teacher?
Yes, I like.
Who is your best teacher?
My best teacher is Rathore.
Huh?
Rathore.
Who is Rathore sir? Okay. So thank you very much for participation in this class, and in the next class we will take another topic. Till that, happy bye bye.